Hi there, Martin here. Thanks for joining me for this episode of Turner's Journey. I do hope you are well and looking forward to a break over the festive period. This sort of interim episode of Turner's Journey is to say thank you very much indeed for watching the new series of Turner's Journey. I hope you have found it a very interesting ride, as much as I've enjoyed making the videos every week since June. Actually, I've been making these videos, but they've been available for you guys to watch since the beginning of August. So I hope you've had an interesting time watching them and the very interesting and varied life that Les and I lead here at the workshops. I'm looking forward to 2026. We've got loads of stuff planned here at the school, lots of demonstrations booked in for 2026 as well, and there are big plans for a couple of new books, the sequel to Woodturning Form and Formula, and there's another book coming as well, which I will undoubtedly talk to you about over the next few months. But other than that, I want to say big thank you to everybody, all of the students that have come to the school over the last few months that have allowed me to grab a few seconds of their lessons to share with the wider woodturning community. Everybody that I've demonstrated for, if you guys have bought a copy of Woodturning Form and Formula, thank you very much indeed for that too. I can't wait to get started on the sequel. Yeah, the follow-up to Woodturning Form and Formula. It's going to be another really exciting and interesting project to work out, design and write, of course, and also publish. I'm expecting to get that out sometime around September, but there will be another book prior to that, around my 50th birthday in June. There isn't really much else to say. Looking forward to a Christmas break, and again, thank you very much indeed for watching. Have a very relaxing and peaceful time over the festive break, and if you get some time in your workshop, have a fantastic time. Look after yourselves, turn safely, take care for now, bye bye.